Today I am reviewing the KTC 27-inch Portable TV 1080p touchscreen monitor. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. If you're looking for a versatile, portable, and powerful touchscreen TV monitor, the KTC 27-inch Portable TV on wheels is a fantastic choice. This device blends a sleek design with robust tech features to give you an exceptional multimedia and productivity experience wherever you need it. Whether you want to stream your favorite movies, conduct video calls, work remotely, or give presentations, this portable TV delivers with impressive performance and convenience. Starting with the display, the KTC 27-inch monitor offers a crisp 1080p Full HD resolution paired with a high contrast ratio of 4000:1 and 8-bit color depth. This combination means the colors are vibrant, details are sharp, and images are clear whether you're watching videos, viewing photos, or browsing content. The large 27-inch screen size strikes a great balance. It's big enough for immersive viewing, but still easy to move around thanks to the rolling stand. Speaking of mobility, the standout feature here is the TV's portability. It comes mounted on a sturdy stand with 5 silent swivel casters, allowing you to effortlessly roll it from room to room or even take it to outdoor gatherings. Plus, the screen itself is adjustable. You can tilt, swivel, or pivot it up to 315 degrees to find the perfect viewing angle for any setting. This makes it an ideal solution for collaborative workspaces, classrooms, or even just moving around your home. Performance-wise, the KTC Portable TV is powered by a Qualcomm SM6115 chipset, accompanied by 8 GB of RAM and 128 GB of internal storage. This powerful combo runs on the latest Android 14 operating system, providing quick access to all your favorite apps from the Google Play Store. Whether you want to stream Netflix, YouTube, or run productivity apps like Zoom or Google Meet, the TV handles it all smoothly without lag or stutter. The 8 GB RAM ensures smooth multitasking, and the generous storage lets you save plenty of apps and media without worrying about space. Connectivity is flexible and comprehensive. The TV supports both wired and wireless projection options, including Wi-Fi 5, Bluetooth 5.1, and a USB Type-C port. This means you can easily mirror your phone, tablet, laptop, or even a game controller to the big screen without complicated setups. For video calls or meetings, the built-in hidden 8MP camera and stereo speakers deliver clear audio and video quality, making remote communication effortless. Battery life is another highlight. Equipped with a powerful 9,500 mAh battery, this portable TV can run up to 6 hours on a single charge. This is great news if you want to use it outdoors or in areas without easy access to power outlets. You won't have to worry about running out of juice during your presentations, movie nights, or gaming sessions. The device also supports remote control and Google Assistant voice commands, adding convenience to your user experience. You can easily control volume, brightness, apps, and more without needing to touch the screen. This makes it suitable for various users, from tech-savvy individuals to casual users looking for simplicity. Installation and setup are straightforward. The device comes ready to use out of the box, with a clear user manual to guide you through any necessary steps. If you ever run into issues, KTC offers reliable customer support and a 1-year warranty, so you can buy with confidence. In conclusion, the KTC 27-inch Portable TV on wheels is a superb combination of portability, power, and smart features. It is perfect for anyone who needs a flexible display solution that moves with them, be it for work, entertainment, or education. The stunning Full HD touchscreen, combined with Android 14 and strong hardware, ensures a smooth, enjoyable experience. Its long battery life, wireless capabilities, and user-friendly controls make it stand out in the portable monitor market. Whether you want to upgrade your home entertainment system, add a portable screen for your office, or have a reliable display for presentations and remote meetings, this device covers all bases. If you're ready to invest in a high-quality, portable smart TV monitor that doesn't compromise on features or performance, the KTC 27-inch is definitely worth considering.